welcome to another episode of Socially Guide. Today we are in Portishead Marina, and if you look around, there's a lot of beautiful boats around, and it's a beautiful place to take pictures and also to eat some delicious food. So today I just want to take the moment to guide you around this marina, and also where you can get drinks, where you can get pasta, and also if you want to chill and have a drink around the marina, I'll also show you that. And along my way I'll probably stop and take some pictures. Yeah, so this is where I am right now. The time is 10:30. The sun is shining, and I'm using ND filters to block the sunlight. There's the sunlight there, so I just thought I'll show you around this beautiful marina, so that if you want to pop out here this weekend, feel free to pop out here. And if you want to get to Portishead, and especially when you're in Bristol, I think you can get here by using the bus X3, X5, and also X4. So those buses will get you here without any problem. In front of me that's a Bottolino. They do some amazing pasta. I'm pretty sure it's an Italian restaurant. And then next to Bottolino, that's Aqua restaurant. Let me just pan the camera a little bit for you to see this beautiful view of Portishead. Right? Alright. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because it's a sunny day. I don't normally get the sunshine when I'm vlogging, so I just thought it's the same location. Let me just show you more how this place look like when it's sunny. It's very, very beautiful. And you can see people walking on the marina and probably just having a nice time. You can do the same thing as well. So I'm off today. They're doing some works in the house. You don't need to do that. So I just thought, let me grab the camera out and then show you this beautiful marina. Right? I'm going to put the camera on here just to show you where I normally sit. I have some nice drinks, you know. And this is my corner. This is where I normally sit, and I just have a chill out day. Yeah, beautiful, right? It's very beautiful. Yeah. So if there's anything that you'd like me to cover about this beautiful marina, please do let me know in the comment section, and also do subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Today I'll try my best to show you a bit of everything around this marina. Right, so let's continue this beautiful tour. It's just pretty amazing, you know. Just look so beautiful. It looks so beautiful. So let's continue this beautiful tour. I'll try my best to show you all the angles because I'm using the ND filter. I try my possible best to get away from the sunlight so that you can see the beauty of this gorgeous marina. I've just been to the shop. I've been to Waitrose to get some groceries and also some beer for later. So this is how my day off is kind of like, yeah, I'm just walking up to the marina now just to go relax and grab a few drinks.